What's up guys, Franz here back with another vlog. Today, we're going to be correcting the suspension geometry of my Honda Jazz GK5. So guys, kasama natin ngayon si Jerish. Hello. Yan. So si Jerish yung mag-i-install ng roll center adjusters natin today. We're looking to improve the suspension geometry of this Honda Jazz so that we can activate more grip. This will promote good rotation at the track since it's gonna have more grip at the front, and we just have the same grip at the rear. Well, Jerish is working on the car. Let me explain to you guys bakit ba tayo mag-i-install ng roll center adjuster sa Honda Jazz GK5. So guys, this is what a stock suspension actually looks like. So if you take a look at the lower control arm, it's actually pointed upwards. This means that it has good geometry. So upon compression, check out the contact patch below the tires. It actually gains more camber. So this is really good when you're on the racetrack, because as soon as you turn into a corner, so it leans and it gives you more grip as you go through the corner because your car leans on the left or on the right depending on what turn you're making. So that's what a stock suspension geometry does, and it's engineered to perform that way. So it performs really well even if it's stock. So what happens when you lower your car? Well, this is what happens. Your shock body actually shortens. And when your shock body shortens, it also means that your lower control arms will adjust its angle like this. So why is this bad? Because upon compression, you're not actually gaining negative camber anymore. You're actually losing your negative camber. So as you turn into a corner, nawawala yung negative camber mo. It becomes positive. Oh. It's becoming positive. There's no negative camber gain, and this is really bad. And why is this happening? It's because of the angle of the lower control arm. Since the lower control arm is pointing downwards, this thing called roll center, you can look it up. I won't explain it in this video anymore because it's very technical talaga. This thing called roll center is actually below the floor. So if your roll center is actually below the floor, this is what happens when your body rolls. Look at that. Compared to this, pag stuck. More controlled, right? Compared to this, pag lowered. So with the roll center adjusters, what it's gonna do is actually adjust this part to a lower angle so that when it's installed, the lower control arm is gonna look like this, yung angle niya. Babalik siya sa tamang angle. So that's what the roll center adjusters do. GMG. So guys, I just finished eating. Was hungry, so I went to McDonald's. Also got Jerish some food para busog siya. Fun. Laki. And I also have this reflective tape. So binabalot kasi yung reflective tape around here and here to protect it. It's because ito kasi is placed here, right behind the rotor. And the rotor makes a lot of heat. That's why you put the reflective tape around it, so that the heat doesn't go to this. Jerish, ano napapansin ninyong difference ngayon at nakakabit na tong ano?
Malaki na
yung angle eh, no? Pag ganyan na siya eh, no?
Hindi na siya gaya kanina na
flat talaga eh, no?
diretso lang.
Oo, mas maganda na ngayon.
Okay na.
Sige, sigipan na natin. So guys, Jerish is tightening the lower control arm, and as you saw, the angle of the lower control arm is now better. So yeah, let's see the results later when everything is installed and we'll have it aligned. Okay guys, so currently at the alignment rack, and we actually lost some negative camber, but we're not sure if it's because of the lower ball joint or if it's because of my double eccentric bolt and slotted eccentric bolt holes. Regarding that issue that we lost negative camber when the RCAs were installed, that was a correct conclusion, that we lost some negative camber on static ride height. But so far we don't have proof of this, but I think that when the suspension compresses now, it actually gains camber. Instead of before, it doesn't gain any camber. It was just positive camber. Honestly, I think the only way I would be able to find out if this mod is really effective is in the racetrack, because that's the only where I can push this car to the limit.
Oh my god.
After 3 hours stuck in traffic, I'm finally home. So I think we'll just have to take it to the track and see if there's a difference. Don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.